Hello friends, today we will discuss major global military exercises India, USA, Russia in 2025. In this analysis, we will break down major 2025 joint and bilateral military exercises involving India, United States and Russia, and all MCQs are based upon that. We will explore naval drills, air force maneuvers, ground force interoperability and strategic context shaping Indo-Pacific and Eurasian security. So this video covers exercise objectives. Participating platforms are aircraft carrier, submarine, fighter jets, ground brigades, command structures, and all for geopolitical impacts on regional stability. So what we learned from this video, why India expands maritime partnership in 2025 and the scope of trilateral Quad cooperation, how US global force posture and NATO adjacent exercises influence Indo-Pacific deterrence, Russia's 2025 force projection, Arctic exercises, and strategic messaging. So all we learned. So it is important from examination point of view. So we will learn the military exercises of 2025. Our MCQs will answer on those questions. Which of the following countries participate in the military exercise Malabar? Options: India, USA, Japan, Australia. B, India, USA, Russia, Japan. C, India, USA, UK, France. D, India, Japan, South Korea, USA. Answer is A, India, USA, Japan, and Australia. Malabar is a naval exercise initially started as a bilateral exercise between India and the USA in 1992. Japan became a permanent member in 2015 and Australia joined in 2020, making it a quadrilateral exercise. Okay, so it is known as Quad, QUAD. Second question is, military exercise Yuddha Abhyas is conducted between which two countries? A, India and Russia, B, India and USA, C, India and UK, and D, India and Japan. Answer is B, India and USA. So you are getting the answers. If you are aware, then write down yourself.